What is up, people? It's your boy Scroll World, and in this review we will test how to get the latest working Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily and click simply on this Delta Executor. It should load up and then we will enter our Roblox username. So don't worry guys, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here, and it's our public info. So I will just go with my username like this, click connect account guys. It will start fetching our Roblox profile and you should get this confirmation. So if it's your account, just click yes connect and we're successfully connected. There we go. So now guys, we will click import newest Delta Executor, and if you want you can select additional scripts to install. When you click there, you will have a lot of scripts guys. You can select literally whatever you like. You can also Google them and see what they do, like what features they have, what games do they support. I'll go with overflow, NICUs and Solix help, for example. With this three, I'll click continue now, and guys, it will start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. And look at this, API is connected, our activation key is there, and now we will have to click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click it guys, I'm not a robot, and let's wait and let's see what we'll get. And boom, verification successful. Look at this guys, thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account, our username connected, and our unique key is fully revealed. Look at this guys. So now we will copy this and we will open our Roblox and we will see are we actually getting our Delta Executor, and we will enter this key. So guys, before you get this verification successful page, if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete 2 tasks from the list. Don't worry, because all tasks are free and safe and they are really easy to complete. So just complete 2 tasks from that list and you will get redirected to this verification successful step with your user connected account and your unique key generated. It's one-time verification, so you don't have to worry. And let's open our Roblox right now. Let's open, for example, Blox Trades Guides. Let's click play and we will make sure that it's actually working or not. Let's test. So nice guys, look at this. We actually got our Delta Executor imported. Look at this. Now we will enter our key and let's test. So, oh my god. Guys, we got the latest Delta working. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, let's see. Scripts, guys, are we nice. Solix, NICUs, and overflow, just as we selected. Look at this. Let me click on any of these guys, for example, NICUs, and let's see, is it actually working, guys? So we should get imported this script, and look at this. Boom, guys, we got this imported, and finally we can play our Roblox with Delta Executor for free. Guys, how long it took? Like 3 minutes for this, and we got it imported. I'm so excited because it actually worked, guys. And if you want to remove this, just make sure to reinstall your Roblox, and that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed and found it video helpful. So if you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.